If there's one thing the people here at the office know about me, is that I'm one thirsty boy, which is why they got me to host this video about the Ninja Thirsti. I haven't done any other Ninja products on this channel, so I'll have no context for that, which is fine, because I have a Ninja blender at home. And I think this is about the same, it works the same, right? So if you have no idea what this product is, it essentially does the same thing as products like SodaStream or DrinkMate. It carbonates liquid. I think most of the time water. Has anyone tried it with milk? Actually, before I take things out of the box here, I just want to, this is one of the busiest product boxes I've seen in quite some time. They're really trying to get at you with these colors. Like, oh, you can make all these drinks and all these juices. 20 plus flavors across 4 drink lines. I don't even know there were drink lines. And now there's 4. 0 calories, 0 sugar. You can make sparkling or still, which seems like you would be able to do the second one without this, but okay. 4 drink sizes. Combo any 2 flavors. Well, that's just a real life thing with flavors. However, the thing that is sort of interesting about the Ninja Thirsti versus some of the other options out there are that this lets you pour the carbonated water directly into a cup instead of carbonating like a bottle and then having to pour from the bottle into the cup. It sucks. That's the worst. Okay, and with that, let's open it up. Combo, create, enjoy, share. They're just really trying to get you stoked for this. So many people are gonna wanna come party at your house. Okay, woof, that's heavy. This is the CO2 canister. Don't explode. Ninja Thirsti flavored water drops. We've got the water reservoir. I think this was repacked by somebody. My unboxing experience has been tainted. Manuals, and oh, the Thirsti itself. One thing right away, I guess, is that this is like quite a bit bigger than most like SodaStreams that I've seen. Like that'll take up more real estate on your counter, for sure. However, it's got a bunch more features that we'll get into. You can load the flavors in there. You can store the water. I might need this guide, honestly. Usually I ignore the guide, but I might need this. This is complicated. I went from thinking this was like no big deal at all to being like, this is science. Quick start guide and important safety instructions. I won't read that. We're gonna keep it sassy. Okay, let's take off all the tape we can see here. This is where you're gonna put your flavor pods. One of the features of this product is that it can combine the flavors in various ratios with the buttons here. See these? So that's how you're gonna do it. That's for short cups. That's for espresso. Oh yeah, this is kind of cool. I'm sure that other things have this, but I've never seen it before. It's like a little water indicator. So this can catch water down there, but if the water level rises, then you'll see this orange bit pop up and you'll be like, oh, I better empty that. Does it come out? It does. They thought of everything. This just appears to be a structure that combines the 2 flavors. So like it'll fall down and then one flavor drips there and the other one drips there and then they both go down into the hole together. So this is where you put in the
CO2 canister.
How to install O2. I'm sure I should probably read that. It looks like it's about the same as a SodaStream. Let's take the canister out and pop the champagne. Screw that off and in we go. So pop the collar out. Man, they have instructions there too. They really don't want you to screw this up. I guess this could kill somebody if you're not careful. If you just kind of like You might need to get help with this, but not me though. Oh yeah, okay, now we got it. In it goes. So I should have compared them before I put them in there, but they are the same size. They're both 60 liters, and Ninja says that a 60-liter canister here will get you 300 12-ounce sparkling drinks. That's enough for a party. Get some chicken bones, throw them in a pot, carrots, onions, you got a stew going. That'll bring the people around. Or this. And then here is where you put the reservoir. Oh, it tells you right here, you can refrigerate it, you can keep it cold if you want. You don't have to leave it on your counter, but that's kind of half the convenience of using this thing, is having it just stay on your counter. If you have to go to your fridge and get the, that's fine, I forgive them. Oh, what is this? Cold water indicator. Blue water is at optimal temp? Okay, I guess it'll light up the water when we fill it up. Let's fill it up. Oh, I guess I gotta tell you about our sponsor first.
Thanks to War Thunder for sponsoring this video. Whether you're taking a break from work or you just feel like causing a bit of chaos, hop behind one of over 2,500 war machines and let your destructive fantasies take over. Available on PC, consoles, or mobile, you'll be treated to authentic sound effects and vehicles modeled after their real-life counterparts. And whether you're looking for the most realistic experience on offer, or you just want to casually blow some stuff up, there's a game mode for everyone. So join over 70 million players on the battlefield. Play War Thunder for free using our link in the description.
Now we were wondering, because there's a cold water indicator apparently on here, but we'll find out about that soon. We were wondering if it cools the water, if it chills it. It does not. It tells you to fill it up with ice. And then we also have cooled water, just to make sure.
You don't want 300 people.
Pull over to your house promising them one 12-ounce drink each, and then it's not even cold. Wow. And it doesn't, these guys are confident. They don't even have like a max line. They're just like, fill it up all the way. These people are thirsty. And look at that. There it is. It's in there. By the way, it looks like this thing is dishwasher compatible. So if you do want to put milk in here, you're not allowed. You actually shouldn't put milk in here, apparently. That's one of the drawbacks. You can carbonate milk. This is the question. This is the question of this video. Can you carbonate milk? We will not find out, but we will keep asking. Oh man, this is some of the busiest packaging I've ever seen. It's like I open it up and I'm like, ah! What do I even look at first? I mean, part of that is because half of it is French. It's like, you don't have to advertise to me when I have it. I bought it already. Don't be like, pick, play, sip. Like, it's getting me stoked. I'm like, oh yeah, there's so many flavors. So this is an 8-pack. You got 8 of these little things. And Ninja doesn't say exactly how many drinks each one of these will provide, because you can customize how much of it you put in each drink. But anecdotally, people online say that you should expect anywhere from 17 to 20 drinks, 12-ounce drinks. I don't know. Everybody drinks different. So what flavors we got here? We have lemon, orange tangerine, both watermelon lime with electrolytes, lime, raspberry, lemonade, which you make with the lemon, strawberry kiwi. Oh my. And an energy one with caffeine, peach mango flavor. You're gonna wanna watch out for this one. This one will give you a little bit of a kick. We're doing lemonade. Oh, I didn't have to take the whole label off.
Now it's naked.
Okay, so just remember everybody, this is lemon, okay?
Lemonade.
Now, I've learned since going through the initial tour that this part here, you know what this is called? The flavor carriage. Oh, and then it folds back. Okay, so in it goes. All right, there's a little click. Lemonade secured. Okay, what's next? What's the other flavor we should combine it with? Raspberry. Raspberry lemonade, ever heard of it?
No.
People all around the world love it. Okay, flip it all the way back into the flavor carriage. It's a carriage for 2. It's very important. It says don't, you see this? What, geez, you might want to be careful about moving this around. With the water in. It wasn't doing that when the water wasn't in. See this? Don't grab your drink until you hear the chime. Everything is gonna go wrong if you grab it too early. Combo only at 12, 18, or 24. If you're comboing, it's saying only select the 12, 18, or 24. Otherwise, again, you are not going to Flavor Town. Okay, I guess these little bubbles here have LEDs behind them and they're gonna turn orange when the CO2 is low. We're not even there yet. We gotta plug it in. The cord is too short. Complaint number 1, email Ninja right now. It's 31 inches. It's long enough for your counter. So the lights above the flavor indicators here are the strength of the flavor. Do you wanna go to Flavor Town or just to the suburbs? And up here is the sparkling level. So you can have it be still water or 3 levels of fizz. They call it fizz in America. Let's do maximum fizz, just to start. And we're gonna do lemonade, no raspberry, stay away, and maximum flavor. Are we thirsty?
Yeah.
No, you guys say, wait, yeah, we're thirsty.
So
Thirsty.
Okay, go. It's a lot of noises. There it is. There's the chimes. We can take the cup away now. Okay. Wow. That was a little frightening, but we got through it. L'chaim. It's pretty good. These are all like 0 sugar ones. So I don't know if like some people don't taste that at all. I feel like I very much taste whenever it's like a non-sugar thing. It's sweet, but it like coats your mouth a little bit. So if you're okay with that, then this probably tastes delicious. That was only 6 ounces. Do you want to see?
Well, I mean, that's
It's like that much.
oh, okay.
I think this is a 12-ounce cup. If you deplete this, you could maybe open it up and fill it with whatever you want. Maybe milk. If you want to wreck your machine, do not use milk in this thing because we don't know. It's never been tested. Science isn't there yet. So this is what Ninja thinks a lemonade tastes like. SodaStream has their own idea. Let's see what they think. Let's see how it compares. Okay, there was a problem with the other SodaStream, so we got a different one. Ready? SodaStream! Oh, there we go. Now that's power. Yeah, it like carbonates more. Now the problem is, with this one, I can tune it in exactly to the fizz level. I don't know how much fizz I'm gonna add here. This might kill us. I'll just test the fizz level before I ruin it, because I can't put this back in and then fizz it more. Something could explode. That's more than enough. To the inner middle line of the measuring. And now I add it to this?
Like, what the heck? That's
Ready?
So complicated. Go for it.
This is like,
And now what?
I mean, I got it. Yeah, this is like a whole process. It looks kind of gross. They're different colors. Just so you know. This one probably has dye in it.
Drink a sip.
Okay. I'm not just saying this because of the current circumstances. I like this lemonade flavor a little bit more. Do you guys want to try? Oh, thanks for coming over, guys. Thanks for coming to the party. Can I get you a drink real quick?
I'll take a lemonade.
No, sure. Lemonade, no problem. What flavor do you, how much flavor do you want?
I'll take one.
One flavor? Okay. Now that we're on the other side of that whole process, you can see that's just easier. Using this is just easier than whatever that was. It's like chemistry. This is technology. Yeah, they both kind of have like a vaguely plasticky taste.
Yeah, this one has like a hint of tea or something. Like it's a little more savory, which is odd in a different way. Yeah, don't like it. You should try combining them.
Okay, let's combine some flavors. Okay, 12 ounces of raspberry lemonade, please, Mr. Ninja Thirsti. Oh, interesting. Yeah, it had to do a bunch. It had to do that a bunch of times. It's like the equivalent of pressing this. Okay. Oh, it did. Okay, so that was one flavor, and now it's doing the other flavor? I would have thought that it does both at the same time, because then that's why you have the combining, but maybe that's too much. Interesting. It is light flavor, which I think I prefer for these kind of like flavor pods. If you do like max flavor with these things, it might just be like a little much. Yeah, that's like really fizzy. Now I need to just do that one more time with low fizz and see if there's any difference. Okay, that's low fizz, but it's still like quite fizzy. I mean, maybe I'm taking it straight out of there, but like, what are you supposed to do? Wait? In my experience just now, the 3 levels of fizz are like, you can't really tell a difference. But regardless, this thing's pretty cool. If you are really, really into fizzy drinks, this is definitely a easier option than using a SodaStream. It's like, SodaStream is a little bit more involved. Obviously, if you're not using flavors, if you're just like, I like sparkling water and that's it, there's not gonna be a ton of draw to this. But if you're like, if you're a real soda head, soda brain, if you're into flavored sodas, then maybe this would be something that you'd be interested in. For the convenience of having your water and flavor and everything all in one package and combines it and mixes it for you, there's obviously a premium. This thing starts at 150, and then they have like various bundles where you can add accessories and stuff. And the cheapest SodaStream apparently is $90. So that's a smaller gap than I expected. If I was a fizz head, I might seriously consider this. It's just more convenient. It's the espresso machine of DIY soda. Well, thirsty boys and girls, that's about it. If you're thirsty for more content, check out a previous ShortCircuit video with Sarah where she looks at the Ninja Creamy. It does ice cream. And subscribe to TechLinked.
No!